What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we got build day number 6, or you know, I'm pretty kind of confused at this time, but we're going to be working on the Tahoe again today. We got a few more things we got to finish up. We're going to be doing going to our fabricators and getting this mocked up for them. We're going to get that welded for the wastegate, and again too, it's a 50mm VS Racing wastegate, and yeah. So let's get started on that. We got a few more things to wrap up on this, and then base tune tomorrow. So let's go ahead and go over to fabricators and let's get it done. All right, guys. So we're here with the owner of Switchback Racing. Me and Chris are here. We're going to be doing some. Well, he's going to be doing some fab work on the Turbo LS Tahoe. So let's kind of see what's going on. All right. So we got all the pipe here laid out, and. Well, Chris, kind of let me know what's going on.
So we mentioned this morning in the earlier clips that the wastegate placement on the crossover pipe we have just not going to work. It's in a horrible spot. Just it's not even. There's no reason for it to even be there. So the only thing we can do, we have a cast steel manifold. We're putting a piece of pipe off of it. It's not like the proper way to do it, right? You're not even supposed to weld cast, right? You can, but it's
yeah. You can
so
we'll do as best we can.
We're gonna do the absolute best we can to get that on there and get the wastegate flanges welded to it, so we can get this thing tuned tomorrow or get a tune on it. So I mean that's pretty much it. There's stainless flange to mild, you know, all the good stuff. But now he's the best at it. So I mean, better than what I can do. So we'll see what he.
So you want to plug some of your info for online?
Best guy you know doing this stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, what do you mean, like
your Instagram, all that stuff? You want us to plug you?
Oh yeah, it's Switchback _Racing.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
That's on Instagram. I don't know what to do with my hands. Or it's also Switchback. I think it's just straight Switchback space racing, and that's on Facebook.
We'll link all that information.
Yeah, I'll link everything right here. So, so he's gonna be welding this up today. We're gonna get a couple clips of that, and I think we're gonna start up and just like base tune tomorrow, right?
Yeah, hopefully tomorrow.
Yeah.
We'll figure out something with the downpipe today. So.
Yeah, that's got to be
one step at a time.
Yeah, for sure. All right, let's get to it, dude.
Cue the.
so I hope you enjoyed those clips. We're gonna take a little tour around his shop, see what he does for a living. So let's check that out. All right, buddy. Well, you did some good welds, and for all the people that say that you can't do mild steel to stainless steel, debunked.
Debunked. What my response to that is sort of.
Yeah.
Good solid sort of.
Still hot? I mean,
Caveman test says a little bit, yeah. So
it's the best looking part on our Chinese manifold.
Yeah.
Right? Guy in the comments, Chinese build.
I don't think I melted my fingerprints off that time, so we're in business. We're still good.
You
Yeah.
Oh, look at that bad boy.
Yeah, don't grab by the other.
Yeah, no. I mean, for what we need, I'm pretty confident that's going to do great.
Put a little bit of a weave on it.
Yeah, you know.
Dude, that looks great, dude.
I mean, it looks better than my Chinese welder guy in the comments. But I like it.
It was Facebook.
Oh, guy on Facebook.
Okay, so kind of explain to everybody what you do here at your shop and what you specialize in and what you offer.
We predominantly do fabrication here at Switchback Racing. We specialize in Nissan Infinity, in the Nissan Infinity platform, VQ engine cars. We build turbo kits for them. It is our bread and butter, daily in and out. Probably have about 16, something like that in the books right now, and just building those, trying to stay caught up, stay in front of these material shortages and stuff like that. But yeah, so far so good. We're moving along with them and our other various products that we design and make from scratch here. So
looks like you do could a customer walk in here and you can build them an intercooler, or
yeah,
kind of? Okay, cool.
Yeah, we can. From scratch, and we don't only work on Nissan Infinity vehicles. We work on pretty much anything. We just have a niche in that market, I guess, how you'd say that, with our turbo kits and stuff like that. We make the top mount single turbo kits, and in the near future, when we get caught up a little bit more, we'll be doing mid mounts and rear mounts, probably to be sold as like component form for people to make those, as well as in full kit versions and stuff like that. So yeah, it's the biggest thing.
Cool. And I noticed some of your work down here. So you got some intercoolers that are ready to go on the Nissans. What are these, like catch can like combos?
Those are 3-in-1s. So that's a fresh, brand new design that we have.
So it's got
there's coolant. There's an oil catch can in the middle, and on the right it does a power steering reservoir.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
Cleans up the engine bay, so there's not as much. It gets rid of all the factory reservoirs that can kind of turn yellow over time. So
right.
All done in house.
Yeah, those are all done in house. Made the first prototypes and then actually drew those up in CAD. We have a guy that we work with to get those CAD drawn, and then we send them off to be laser cut, which speeds up production time, so people aren't waiting as long, and it also helps with consistency and all that stuff. So
yeah. I was going to show them one of your cars over here too, one of the Z's.
Sure.
So this is a really gorgeous car right here. So kind of explain to me what's going on.
This car is equipped with one of our classic design. Yeah, it's our classic version top mount single turbo kit, which is an original design that was come up with by us. And this is actually our 7th generation of this. Actually, this one might be a 6th generation, but they're both 7th and 6th are very similar. Over here we have a 7th generation unfiltered kit that's nearing completion. You can see that the intake manifold is off this one. He has the very first 3-in-1 combo reservoir that we developed, made for his car, and then perfected to work with all the other models.
Loves the titanium work right here.
Oh, thanks, man. Thank you.
Definitely beautiful.
We will be probably doing a torched finish on these to get the purples and blues.
Right.
They're, pretty cool.
Yeah, I like that.
I think the downpipe's pretty cool too.
Yeah, it's
trade secret.
Yeah.
Can't look at that.
Yeah.
If you want to know how to get one of these, go ahead and buy the whole kit.
That's true. That's true. Yeah. Can't argue with that. Can't argue with that. The ones that we would ship out are slightly different. They have the MAF sensors up top, but otherwise they're the same as the custom ones that we do here in house.
Cool.
So, but yeah.
What's your turnaround on like a turbo kit? Someone wants to order one today.
Right now it's about 12 weeks, but when we get all caught up, it's usually around about 4 weeks. We're looking to bring that down significantly because we have, you know, jigs and other things that we'll be getting produced, you know, up front to speed up the whole process. Certain things that we'll keep on the shelf just to speed that all up.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, cool, man. You know, I appreciate it big time. Like in a pinch,
thank you.
you know, we needed you big time, and
Yeah,
you know,
that's
you never let us down. That's for sure.
We're always trying to help out where we can. So
Yeah,
with that,
and he's
help out,
he's
support
really
and stuff.
conveniently located too, right by
Yeah,
us.
right
so
down the street. What are we, like,
yeah.
half mile away?
Not even, man. Like
Quarter
so,
or something like that.
so that works out.
Jump
you know?
on your push bike and head over here if you need to.
The old pooter scooter.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
So hey, man, we appreciate it, bud. And then
Absolutely. Till next
definitely-
time, I guess, right?
yeah,
Downpipe.
next time, dude. Downpipe,
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Downpipe.
When is that? Big 4-inch pipe cut stuff.
7-inch.
I mean, it is 4-inch. It is 4-inch. Like that's
Okay.
what size that outlet is.
All right, so we're back at the shop. We're gonna go ahead and wrap the manifold. Looks like Tyler is at it again. What up, Tyler?
What's up?
And I gotta say, dude, you're weaving a beautiful, beautiful masterpiece right now.
Fuck this thing. It does look pretty good.
It looks really good, man. You're doing a great job.
Just want to let everybody know that I've never done this before in my life.
You never?
Never.
Dude, it looks like you have.
I run all ching chong eBay stuff that you can't wrap or else it'll break.
That's also a Ching Chong.
You know?
Yeah.
And
So,
I have a Ching Chong.
Got all the stuff welded up. You excited yet or what, dude?
Yeah, super excited.
So yeah. All right, so that's all wrapped up. Thanks to Tyler. Thanks, bud.
And Chris.
No problem.
Yeah.
Yeah,
no,
Chris
it was-
helped a whole bunch.
Yeah, it was all him.
He rolled the roll to the wall back there.
Looks pretty. It actually looks really, really good.
Yeah. Can't tell it's a Chinese build now.
What?
That one guy, you know.
But yeah, dude. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Yes,
So we're
sir.
gonna go ahead and get this thing in there, and make some power tonight, or what, dude?
Yeah, Tyler's about to put this in real quick,
Nah.
and we'll be good to go.
Yeah, I think.
Take a shower is what I'm about to do.
Yeah, I think you're gonna be feeling that for a couple days.
It's bad.
All right, guys. So got the turbo on. Well, back on for the 100th time, and got the manifold wrapped, ready to go. Got the wastegate in. Gonna probably figure out a way to put this. I think we're gonna shoot it out the side. What do you want to do with it?
It's not going out the fender. It's just gonna go, probably do like a 45 off that and run it down.
Okay.
Or take, probably cut the inner fender out and then run it like a 45 all the way out to the bottom. Just let it vent out there behind the bumper.
Perfect.
No body modifications.
So yeah, it was kind of a slow day today, as you saw. Just a lot of fabricating, and at least got that out of the way. We have a downpipe that still has to be made, and a few other things.
Yeah.
But I mean, she's chugging along, dude.
Waiting on. I should be able to get a bass tune tomorrow, probably. Hopefully. And then I'm gonna order this flange from VS Monday when they open back up, and then have probably order pie cuts or something, have it all tacked up, and take it over to Hendrick and let him weld it all up. So something like, or tape it, I don't know, one way or another. Run it down, take that heat shield off the AC, or push it up as high as it'll go, and then just have it ran out there with the V-man for now until I get the exhaust done. I think that's it though.
Yeah.
After that, I gotta pull the ECU out. Drop that. I might get you to drop that off at Sean's this weekend to get the tune on it. Maybe. He said he might be able to do it tomorrow night, hopefully. So it'd be a bass tune until next week, Thursday, Friday. If everything goes to plan, Thursday, Friday, it'll be done. Like, have it tuned, making all the boosts, and we'll see what she does. Going to OSW Friday night.
Oh yeah.
No, I don't know.
Go smack that 10, dude.
It's not gonna do 10s, bud.
That's what he thinks.
No. Be happy with like a 13.5 or something.
Yeah, first just getting out of the.
It'll probably run 14s.
Yeah, out of the 8th.
Yeah. No, it'll run 14s probably first time out. It's slow, dude. It's a Tahoe. Yeah, 14-second Tahoe's fast as fuck. But I don't know. I'm tired. My daughter's birthday's this weekend, so I gotta go home. I got a lot of chores and stuff to do before the birthday party, and then we'll be back on this. If I get the tune tomorrow, I'll probably come up here tomorrow night and put it in and drive it back to the house.
Yeah.
If not, hopefully Sean can send over that tune file and all that stuff. So
cool, bud.
I am exhausted, and I got fiberglass all over me. So.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely smash the button down below and subscribe if you aren't already, and see you on the next video.